Hello student, today we are going to see unit number 1. Within unit number 1 there is a lesson number 3. The title of lesson, the cough and the anthem. Last lecture we have studied already the part first of the lesson, the cough and the anthem. The role of cough and the role of anthem. These two parts are in the lesson, and the main character of the lesson is Sophie. How Sophie was doing different kinds of crime, but he did not success. The first part already there are he done 3 types of crime. The first, when he entered in the restaurant and he ordered some costly items, but the waiter did not allow the Sophie. Whenever on the way of island Sophie was going, that time he is searching a safety place because he has no house. That is why he was searching a safety place. But when he was on the way of island, his journey was going. Within the journey, in the first part already there was different kinds of crime he has done, but he was not success. The writer said he was not success. In the part second, we are going to see the first, Sophie broke the glass of the shop window. Next crime of Sophie, he break the glass of shop window on the way journey was going, because he has hopes doing such types of crime the police will be catch me. But the 4 types of crime he has done, Sophie broke the glass of the shop window. That shop was on the way of journey of island. But next, a policeman as well as some people heard the breaking of the windows. Policemen also heard the breaking of windows, as well as some peoples were witness at the spot the breaking of the window. The cop did not arrest Sophie for the breaking glass. There is a question, why the cop did not arrest Sophie for breaking glass at the spot. Sophie was trying to do a crime, but policemen were not assumption, or they were not arresting to the Sophie. Looking 3 point, the 4th number crime, the breaking the glass of shop, but police were refusing. Why police were refusing to Sophie? Because that Sophie was a criminal. They were forgiveness to Sophie. Sophie was a criminal. He was doing different kinds of crime. But the police did not thinking about the Sophie. That is the question. Next, policeman refused to accept that Sophie had broken the windows. That window. He refused to accept. Sophie had broken the windows. That the Sophie is the criminal mind. That policeman refused the broke the windows. Sophie stopped his racket, which was not successful. Before breaking glass, Sophie had done two crimes, that the umbrellas as well as we looked he entered the costly restaurant and stolen the umbrella, and the third one is the breaking glass. Sophie stopped his racket, which was not successful. He stopped the criminal. He was thinking, why policemen were not catching me? Why they are not arrest me? If they will arrest me, then I will went in a cage, that I will went in the policeman, but they were not catching. He was not success. Sophie heard the anthem being played into the church. Next, on the way up island, there were anthem was going in the church. Anthem, that the holy song. Anthem is the holy song. That in the church, the holy song was going. Those who are singing that person loudly, they were singing, and the anthem was going in the church. The Sophie disturbed, he shouted, had hold the rave and the dance on the sidewalk. At the road, Sophie shouted, and he disturbed to the anthem. All were disturbed in the church because he has hope that people will be call the police. But that church persons, that priest of the church, they did not call the police. There also Sophie did not success. Why? We are looking in the part second. He was doing different kinds of crime, but he was not success and he was unraveled there. That is why in the lesson, one by one crime of the Sophie, breaking glass as well as he heard, and then the second part, the mostly these two crime are focuses by the writer because there were police did not arrest him and they were not taking to Sophie. They were refused. They were not accepting. That is why the anthem, the police heard the anthem that the Sophie heard. So, looking these points in the part 2, already we know the cop were refused to Sophie, and that is why they were not taking the Sophie in the second part. That is why he did not success in the second part. That is the characters of Sophie, that whose known is criminal a character in the lesson, and lastly he not success. That is the part of the lesson. Thank you.